Welcome back, guys. So, with July just ending, I want to show you something else I got in this month. And I wasn't planning on doing more than one unboxing video per month because the subscription boxes are monthly. But when I decided to cancel the coastal fishing video, I decided to go with a local Louisiana company. I signed up for the Matrix Shad Box. It's the same price as the coastal. I try to stay local whenever I buy fishing tackle now. So let's dig into this box and see what we got. And when we reach 100 subscribers, we'll have a giveaway. The entry is very easy. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button. We'll randomly choose off the list at 100 subscribers, and when we hit 200, we'll choose off of that list up until we reach 1,000 subscribers. Then after that, we may change the frequency of giveaways. We will probably continue to do some, and all you have to do is be subscribed. Turn on that notification bell just so you don't miss out when we launch new videos. So the first thing I noticed was these spinner blades. I'm going to take them out of the package so you can see them a little bit better. But they give you a gold spinner blade with a gold blade. They are H&H, they call them redfish spinners. I've used actually spinner blades before, and so you don't very commonly see it. They also give you one with a little bit heavier duty wire that's silver with a gold blade. We have some flukes. One thing about the Matrix is that their labeling for their color is not actually anywhere on their package, but the store that sells it puts a barcode with the color on it. Not sure of the colors. We have a pack of shads that are kind of looks almost glow in the dark, you know. We have another pack of shads that are purple and yellow. I'm gonna actually go look these up and let y'all know what the colors are at the end of the video. Another pack of shads, it's a little bit different style of shad, that are another laminate bait with black on top, white on the bottom with some purple flakes, I believe, in it. Another pack of shads that are hot pink, an H&H cork, rattling cork. So if you watch my video in Grand Isle, we use some 4 horsemen. This is a very similar setup. So slide between the middle, you tie your line to the top here, tie a leader to the bottom. What I like about these corks is that tying a leader to them, most of the time you'll pop your leader before you pop your line, so you at least keep your cork. All you lose is a hook and some inches. And I've been seeing these all over the place and wanted to try them, and I haven't found them in stores, but my Matrix box came with them. They are hook-ons for your glasses. They're supposed to keep your hat on with your glasses on. When I come back in a second, I'm going to look up the colors for these baits to let you know what they are, and show you how to put these on the glasses and how they work. And these baits are not small packs. They're a standard pack that you would buy in a store. So it's not a sample pack where they only give you 4 or 5. I think there's 8 of them in here. So stay tuned. I'm going to get them colors back to you. Alright guys, so this fluke is their cockroach color. It's looks like to be a laminate with kind of a goldish clear bottom, green top, and gold flake in it. Their tiger bait is a laminate, which it looks to be silver flakes with a purple top, yellow bottom. This is their pink champagne color. And this is what they call the Matrix Swim Shad Moonshine color. It's a laminate with a black top and a white bottom with some silver flake in it. So these spinners are not the spinners that Matrix actually came out with. The Matrix spinner is made a little bit different. I'm going to try to go actually look for some of them and get my hands on some of them. And we do a video on how they swim in the water. Alright, so as you can see, I am a fan of these cable style holders. And these are the Costa brands that are on here now, but I'm going to take them off and they broke trying to get them off. So, but they were coming down, and I mean, you could see they were almost broken as they are. They've been on it for over a year. Oh, they're very... So let's get these out of the package, these hook-ons, you know. They just don't want us to... Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, got the cardboard and the... Looks to be sticker they give us, maybe. Maybe not. Might be a sticker. Not sure. But... So... So... This opening here is hard to fit on that there. As you can see, I'm getting a little tough, but yeah. So if anybody from Hook-Ons happens to watch this video, maybe make a wide one. I know a few years ago, cables, when they came out, when these wider end frames were coming out, actually did come out with a wide one, but I mean, they fit. What I like about them, and I've always, since I've ever seen them doing the zip ones, the ones that are adjustable in the back, and the reason is, I don't like, for when they're out like this, I don't like them to be flopping around, hitting me in the back of the neck and all, so I zip them tight to my head. I don't think they fall off as bad. I'm going to actually show you how they say these actually work. So from what I was told and what I've seen on TV, take your hat off, sorry about my hair being messy. Put your glasses on how you would wear them. And then you tuck them, tuck your hat. Oh, I don't know if this is going to work, guys. This might, hold on. I'm going to have to adjust my hat for this one. And tuck them under your hat. So, I don't think they're, yeah, they're underneath there a little bit. They're supposed to keep your hat on. I don't like actually how they push my sunglasses forward. So, I probably won't tuck my hat on it. Or maybe, if I flip my hat backwards, does it work better? That actually sticks underneath there. I don't know if you can see. It's kind of hard for me to show. But, and they're supposed to grip to your hat and keep your hat on. One thing that I've noticed, though, about this entire Matrix box is everything in this box has come from Louisiana. And, of course, us being Louisiana Outdoor Experience, I will definitely buy this box again. I'm super excited. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so that you don't miss out on me using them in some of the upcoming videos. You can also find us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok at Louisiana Outdoor Experience, and on TikTok at Louisiana Outdoors. If you have any comments, questions, let us know in the comments below. Make sure you watch one of these videos, and you can hit right there for that subscribe button.